Hi, everyone. Stock market indexes closed out the week on a very positive note. We'll go ahead and start off with the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ rose 0.52% on volume heavier than the session before. As you can see, the NASDAQ looks like it's about ready to break out to new highs, and that means that I want everyone to remember that earlier this month, people were top calling. So if we do break out to new highs, just remember that little history lesson right there. This is why it's always best to wait for actual real topping action in leading stocks before calling a top. And if we're going by leading stocks like Facebook, as you can look at that one, or Tesla, or even the way Apple is acting off the lows, things look really good out there. The New York Stock Exchange was also up 0.52%. Volume was slightly heavier than the day before, according to Telechart. S&P 500 up 0.39%, the Russell 2000 up 0.20%, and overall still in an uptrend. Russell 2000 still looks a little bit hairy, and so does the Dow Jones Industrial Average, but still, it's just too early to be bullish or bearish in my opinion. It's best to just stay neutral right here as the market kind of goes through its August slow period. And by slow period, by looking at the volume, you can tell it's getting very slow. There was another nice mover today in the IPO land, MZOR, Moser Robotics. Very nice breakout on very, very heavy volume. I expect a lot of good things from this company going into the future. So definitely keep your eye on this one individual stock as it works its way through. Another small stock that I like is SALM, and then NGVC coming off the 50-day moving average, and IAG is a monster off the lows. So there's a lot of good action out there. Unfortunately, not everything's good. RVLT is giving off another partial sell signal, closing below the recent lows of 326 at 322. That is a partial sell. And WBMD is having a pretty rough close on heavier volume. Finally, it's about time for some heavier volume. So since we still really haven't sold any since the beginning, this will be a 50% sell. But until it breaks down below the most recent support, we'll go ahead and stay long the rest. There are no new long positions, and there are no new short positions for Monday. And that is it. Have a great weekend, everyone. Happy Aloha Friday.